Hello and welcome my friend, and this service is good to do in every 3 years or 50,000 kilometers or 40,000 miles. And this job starts so that in this left side there is this brake fluid canister, and we open that and we check that what dot level fluid we need. In my case there is that I need dot level 3 fluid, and after that I have to remove the small filter. I need flathead screwdriver, and carefully when I bend that I can take this filter away. Look, this is very critical. Filter, check that this is totally clean and install this filter in up phase. I can show that in what way. In that way, in this area. And use clean hands and gloves in that way, because this brake system is so sensitive in these Lexus cars that it needs clean fluid and also clean these filters. And now we can see that there is this fluid inside, and I have to take this fluid away. Now we can see that there is fluid, and do not touch that. Brake fluid is harmful, and I have to drain out these fluids. And we can purchase from Amazon.com this plastic oil replace pump, what works so that when I move this cylinder and I add this device in here, I can drain this old fluid away in that way. Look. And now this old fluid is in there. We can see a little bit, I need a little bit bigger view, and there is so amount of this fluid. And now I remove this fluid in this my waste canister, and then I take more this fluid away. I actually carefully and this is my waste canister. Excellent. And now this canister is empty, and let's look closer. Now it's empty. And then I have to fill this totally again. Use new this brake fluid, only new, and it have to be canister what has not ever opened, because brake fluid is very sensitive. And now I add this fluid in here. Carefully, let's look at how it opens. Good, it dries very well. And I need to add that so much. Okay, now it's full. And after that I take this my this filter element what is in here, and I install this back in here this way, and I need to little bit move that in right position, and do not press inside. And after that I install this my cap hat. Okay, now this filter goes deeper. We can see now it's in deeper there. Good. And final part is that I check that this is clean, and I install this my cap hat carefully back in there. Excellent. And final part is that I have to clean all of these areas with clean cotton cloth, because this brake fluid is very harmful for all paint surface. Excellent. And final part is that we have to go inside, and we have to start engine, and we have to press brake pedal like 10 times and test that brake system is working. Excellent. And then this job is ready.